Hello, beautiful people. I hope that you all doing amazing, and I hope you've been enjoying the previous videos that I put there. So I made this video to let you know and announce the upcoming courses. This way you have an idea of what's coming. So basically, we are having the beginner course E2 level, not E1. For E1, we already have the self-study program, which is really amazing. It has about 70 hours of video lessons, PDFs, exercises, quizzes, and you still have access to me if you want to ask me questions or you simply wanted my feedback. So the study program is really amazing for the students who are super busy and they cannot attend live meetings every single week. So that's gonna be a really great to have the base and the foundation for it's really gonna take you from zero to becoming pre-intermediate. So it's really well structured and organized. You can simply contact me and I will show you how it looks like and pretty much everything. And then we have the beginner course, which is conversational. That's why we have it live. And it's gonna start the 8th of January, and we're gonna have it for 8 weeks. We're gonna have Zoom meetings once a week for 1 hour and a half. And every single day we're gonna be having the group as a support, and we're gonna have too many things. The details is if you went to my website, you're gonna see the details, the content, what we're gonna be covering and stuff like that. And then we have another group for intermediate and also for advanced, which is I'm so happy about this one because it's gonna be very authentic and unique. It's gonna be a book club in Darija for sure, and it's gonna be really just speaking in Darija and analyzing the story, the language, and learning new vocabularies, analyzing and seeing the more advanced structure, and how Morocco is speaking. So that would be really great if you want to improve your speaking, because we're gonna have a lot of discussions and also listening, because we're having an audio book, and also still learning. So that's three main things that we are having. And we are having I'm actually happy about this one. It's a weekend mastery of grammar. So for the students who don't have time to keep studying for longer period, for few weeks or few months and stuff like that, and you want to know the structure, and you just want to understand and be independent and have that base very fast so that you can move forward, then we have the weekend mastery for grammar. It's really amazing. So basically how it's gonna work is you're gonna sign up, you're gonna have the PDFs. This way you can read them to prepare before the classes. And during the weekend we're gonna have two meetings separately. We're gonna start the meeting at 2 and then finish at 3:30. Then we're gonna have a break for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna have again another meeting for 1 hour and a half. The same thing is gonna be on Sunday. So during that time we're gonna see again the rules, we're gonna practice, we're gonna speak, we're gonna ask questions and answer them. And just in 2 days you're gonna be able to understand the past tense, present tense, and future tense. And believe me, when I say you can do that, you definitely can do that, because you have a lot of support, and it's not just about the weekend, but also what's before it. So, and what's after is, because it's gonna be another gift, and you still can ask me questions and stuff like that. So that's really amazing, to have a weekend intensive classes and lessons, because it's gonna help you out for your brain to say, okay, Darija, that's what we say, that's what we do. And you will notice that you will understand quite a lot. It's you will understand, you think, oh, that's what he meant when he told me that, or oh, that's what she meant when she was saying, oh no, I meant this and that. So you're not going to be confused, and it's going to help you with your confidence in speaking, because you know that you are saying things the right way, and also you know that you are understanding the person the right way. So you're not going to be afraid of misunderstandings and all of that. Of course, practice make perfect. Even though you are having that weekend, you still need to practice a lot of speaking, and there are a lot of different methods, so you definitely can do it. But it definitely gonna give you a big push to really understand the bigger picture, because we do have this grammar, but of course we have advanced grammar, and then we can do another workshop to cover that. But really it's amazing opportunity to do that. So we can do it either in the last weekend of this year, which is the 30th and the 31st of December. But if not people able to do it, we can do it the weekend after. I really wanted to do it before the new year, because it's gonna be feeling a great feeling. Oh my god, I did something before, like right before the new year, that's mean I'm like starting the year right. I'm like took actions and I did it. And that's why I really like wanted the student to join, to just like have that amazing information, which is like really great for your speaking and understanding, and then say, okay, now I am absolutely ready to work on my fluency, to speak to Moroccans, to not be afraid. It's gonna like really help you out in this way. So if you are interested in any of these courses, you can simply go to my website and see the information, or you simply can contact me and I can give you the information. So beside all of that, for each of these like groups, we are having the WhatsApp group for like supports, and which makes it absolutely amazing. You guys do not forget actually to like subscribe and like the videos, and also it's gonna be nice, so when I make the videos, to keep some comments. It's good for engagement, and it just also motivates me to do more, because when I'm like putting the videos and I see no comments, like I don't know if you guys is productive for you. I know if it's informative for you. I know it's informative for you, but I need to know that the students find this also informative, and also like for the YouTube thing. So yeah, like do not forget to also be a little bit active with me in the comment section, either if it's in my social media on Instagram or also on YouTube. So guys, so grateful to be with you in these few years. Like it's been I've been here like since COVID, and I'm so glad that I finally got to do the website. This way you have everything you need in one place. But definitely I still like we put content for you over here, and I appreciate your like good words and support. It keeps me going, and love you all, and they can wait to see you in the class. So do not forget to sign up before the year ends.